Hello everyone, this is Arya, and today we are going to see emerging trend in digital forensics and cybersecurity. My team members are Digvijay Mane and Kartik Gupta. So digital forensic is the application of forensic and scientific knowledge to retrieve information legally from any digital devices such as computer and smartphones. Digital forensics aims at collecting, reviewing, evaluating and eventually record this item and recorded sequence of events as the evidence in a court of law. The significance of digital forensic cannot be overstated. It plays crucial role in several key areas such as crime investigation, data recovery, legal proceedings, etc. The next is type of digital forensics. The first one is computer forensics. Computer forensics involves the examination of digital data found on computer and digital storage devices. The goal is to identify, preserve, recover, analyze, and present fact and opinion about the information. The next is network forensics. Network forensics focused on monitoring and analysis of computer network and traffic. Next is mobile device forensics. Mobile device forensics is the process of recovering digital evidence from mobile devices like smartphone and tablet. It includes SMS, call logs, app data, and location information. Last is cloud forensics. Cloud forensics applies digital forensics principle to data stored in cloud environments. It involves the acquisition, analysis, and preservation of cloud-based evidence. Now let's understand the process involved in digital forensics. The first is identification. It means identifying potential source of digital evidence and understanding what data is relevant to that case. Next is preservation. It ensures that the data is preserved in the original form to prevent tampering or corruption. Next is analysis. It means examining that data to uncover the relevant information using specialized tools and techniques. Fourth is documentation. It means recording the findings meticulously, ensuring that the process is well documented for legal scrutiny. Fifth is presentation. It means presenting the findings in a court of law, often involving the creation of detailed reports and, if necessary, provide expert testimonies. There are several tools used in digital forensics. The first is InCase. It is a comprehensive tool for acquiring, analyzing, and reporting digital evidence. Next is FTK, Forensic Toolkit. It is a software for a data recovery, imagining, and analysis. Next is Autopsy. It is an open source tool for digital forensics supporting various file systems. Now let's understand the techniques for data recovery and analysis. First is disk imagining. It means creating exact replicas of digital storage devices. Second is file carving. It means recovering files without the file system metadata. Third is file searching. It means locating relevant data using a specific term. Fourth is metadata analysis. It means extracting information about data file like creation database. Fifth is registry analysis. It is examining Windows registry for system and user activity. And last is log file analysis, reviewing system logs to trace activities and events. Thank you. Now I am handing over to Digvijay.
Hello, my name is Digvijay Mane. My roll number is 2023. Now we see the trending cyber attacks targeting organizations. First attack is ransomware attack. Ransomware is defined as a malware that usually encodes or deletes network the computer data, taps information and makes it inaccessible and unusable. It is recognized as a significant threat to computer and network security worldwide and has emerged as one of the most dangerous cyber threats in last year. We see in 2023, the global percentage of organizations targeted with ransomware attack is 10%, which is greater than the last 5 years. The affected groups of this attack is home users, healthcare systems, information security professionals. Target and method is all types of files are potential targets. Encrypts essential files, increasing victims' difficulty. We prevent this by regularly backup data and files. A second attack is botnet. Botnet. Botnet is remotely controlled set of computers by botmasters through a network of command and control without their owner's knowledge. Botnet are used to conduct multiple malicious operations such as distributed denial of service attack, clicking fraud, sending spam emails to host, phishing sites, etc. The major difference between botnet is comparison to other types of attacks in the presence of command and control that works in giving orders from bot master to bot. It is a high level internet privacy and security expertise needed to prevent botnet infections. In 2023, there is 58.23% YOY. Third attack is crypto mining attack. This is the unauthorized use of computers to mine cryptocurrency without the owner's knowledge. Botnet control in this attack is involves a botnet, a network of comparison computers controlled remotely by attacks bootmaster. Command and control. Bootmaster use command and control system to issue orders to the infected machines. How do we prevent this crypto mining attack? By using robust antivirus and anti-malware tools, keep systems and software up to date to protect against vulnerabilities, implement network monitoring to detect unusual activities. Yearly total value stolen in crypto hacks and number of hacks in 2016 to 2023, we say it in 2022 this is the high, but in 2023 this is the fallen. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kartik Gupta. My roll number is 2037. In the next slide, we will going to look into IoT forensics. In this slide, we will discuss the factors affecting IoT forensics. IoT forensics is the process of collecting, preserving, analyzing, and interpreting digital evidence from internet connected. Traditional digital forensic techniques are not always effective when dealing with IoT devices due to a number of factors such as restricted crime scenes, service level contract constraints, complex device architecture, and standardized hardware and software. In the next slide, we will look into the forensics of social media. Social media forensics is a growing field that is becoming increasingly important as social media platforms become more popular. Social media forensics can be used to investigate a wide range of crimes, including cybercrime, traditional crime, and terrorism. Social media platforms can be a valuable source of evidence as they can contain a wealth of information about a user's activities and social connections. When conducting a social media forensic investigation, it is important to collect and preserve evidence from all relevant social media platforms. It is also important to be aware of the terms of service of each platform, as these terms may limit the ability to collect evidence. In the next slide, which is cloud forensics is a growing field that is becoming increasingly important as more and more businesses move their data to the cloud. Cloud forensics is critical for investigating cybercrimes involving cloud based services, such as data breaches and identity theft. Cloud forensics requires specialized skill and tools to effectively investigate and analyze cloud based evidence. When conducting a cloud forensics investigation, it is important to understand the cloud storage model that was used to store the evidence. It is also important to identify the chain of custody for the evidence. Now, finally, we move to the conclusion. Digital forensics is rapidly evolving due to advancements in technology. It requires constant updating and new methodologies to address challenges. Future research will focus on tools for social media, IoT, and cloud forensics. Thank you so much.